I don't know. It's my conditioning, my parents, like how I have been born and brought up, thankfully.
I don't take shower because my name is Shower.
Only off the screen, not on the screen, yeah. But poison to ज़्यादा हो गया ना sir. Thanks to this pandemic, I think I've done the half chef now. But what about you, Alex?
I'm a great cook. by the
Oh
way.
wow. Hey guys, I'm Samar Vermani and you're watching us on Telly Chakkar, and now I'm with my team of Girgate. We are here for our promotions, and now we're playing a short game which is called Who is Most Likely to? Who is most likely? Well, that's me. I'm sorry, but that's me. I keep forgetting my best friend's birthday or even my sibling's birthday, and मुझे उसकी वजह से बहुत डांट पड़ती है अपनी बहनों से और अपने दोस्तों से. So yeah.
All the time, seriously. And I'm very bad remembering the names and birthdays.
I never forget a birthday.
He's a good boy.
Never.
Good boy.
Disha Natasha.
There you go.
Me. I spent a lot of money on the games.
Well, thankfully I don't. Yeah. Well, I don't know. It's my conditioning, my parents, like how I've been born and brought up, thankfully. So I spend very wisely. At least I would like to think. और ऐसा मैं सोचता हूँ, मेरे पेरेंट्स ऐसे नहीं सोचते. उनके हिसाब से मैं बिल्कुल भी वाइजली स्पेंड नहीं करता हूँ. बट वो माँ बाप है, उनका सोचना ऐसा काम है तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. Yeah. Sir, you?
I spend all my money on shopping. Yeah, most of the money I finish shopping.
Yeah, he's a well-dressed man. Definitely. In near future, well, past में तो कर रखा है. Near future अब नहीं है. I guess थोड़ी समझ आ गई है अब, but that's again relative and subjective. So yeah, I hopefully not. Let's see. How about you, Alex?
I don't know.
You don't know? In the past,
No,
any crimes?
no.
I'm
Definitely
very
not.
good boy. Yeah,
I'm a good guy.
yeah, you're a very good guy. Yeah. So you?
Lots of crime in the past, but future, no.
I think we all are grown-ups now, यार. ऐसे मतलब. Well, that can be me because if it's winters, taking out of my bed, possible ही नहीं है. Plus चंडीगढ़, आपको तो पता है वहाँ पे कितनी सर्दी होती है. तो अपनी वहाँ पे actually blankets वगैरह नहीं होते हैं. वहाँ पे उन्हें कहते हैं रजाई, जो कि white वाली होती है, वो रुई की होती है basically. So उससे बाहर निकलना सर्दियों में, it's a big task. How about you, Alex?
I take 2-3 times a day shower.
So you?
I don't take shower because my name is Shower.
Accidentally poisoned with their. I have a terrible cooking skills for sure. Though I have learned a bit in this lockdown, so yeah. But poison तो ज़्यादा हो गया ना sir.
Poison is a very strong word to use, but I'm very bad in cooking. Very bad. I can't even survive, myself. So bad.
Well, thanks to this pandemic, I think I've done the half chef now. But what about you, Alex?
I'm a great cook. by the
Oh
way.
wow.
Yeah. Definitely.
See, he has the qualities of all a charmer. A great cook.
All in one.
All in one. I was thinking of pointing it at you. Well, you got the answer then. I have nothing to say. But only off the screen, not on the screen. Yeah.
Not jokes, but in the series, मैं अपनी आम जिंदगी में भी कभी इस तरह की गालियाँ नहीं बकता, लेकिन इन दिस सीरीज़ मैंने बहुत सारी गालियाँ बकी हैं, तो मैं उनकी प्रैक्टिस करता था. तो लोग हंसते थे, कहीं हमें गाली बक रहा. नहीं, मैं सॉरी, मैं गाली नहीं बक रहा आपको, मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरे ज़बान पे अच्छे से आती नहीं है गालियाँ. तो इफ़ यू सी द सीरीज़ व्हेन आई एम सेइंग समथिंग लाइक दिस, आई एम लुकिंग अनकंफर्टेबल.
We both can share that trophy. Yeah.
Definitely.
Though we tried really hard, but हाँ कभी कभार हो जाता है, इमोशन में आके थोड़ा बह जाते हो और अपनी लाइंस को भूल जाते हो. So yeah, what about you? No, he's a champ, यार.
नहीं, I don't forget my lines.
I don't
I'm
either,
good in
champ.
that.
Well, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching us on Telly Chakkar. And yes, please go and binge watch our show on 27th of October. It's called Girgate on MX Player and Alt Balaji. I'm telling you, you guys will love it. These two guys have killed it. And थोड़ा बहुत मैंने भी अच्छा काम किया, ऐसी बात नहीं.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.